Very convenient. Take exit 2. Hotel just across the exit 2. We supposed to stay in this hotel, but we booked wrong. Realize there are many APA hotel in this area. Let's find our correct hotel. Walk through the other side, past the Ueno Market.
Yay!
Found it. Standard check-in at 3 p.m. Check-out before 11 a.m. The hotel offers smoking and non-smoking room. Typical hotel room size in Tokyo is small, just enough space for walk few steps. All doors are magnet. Housekeeping may be not clean your room every day due to privacy. Check with your hotel rules and services. Mini room tour and check all hotel items. The hotel's aircon isn't adjustable. It's centrally controlled. Pro, good location, walking distance to subway and Ueno Market. Got woken up at night. The room isn't soundproof. Compliment every day. Thanks for watching.